is 3 o'clock in the afternoon and I just got up. But anyways, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all my skincare routine. All I really gotta say is what works for me might not work for your ass. So don't get to saying my routine doesn't work if it don't work for you. Because obviously it worked for me, but it might not work for you. You know? Okay? Okay.
Right, bad bitch tastes like cherry, kiwi, real big.
You're gonna need to run you some warm water. Not hot, because hot water opens your pores. I'm gonna be using this scrub mask or whatever. This noxzema, some Dove soap, and some witch hazel. But it's not in here right now. It's in my room. So I'll start off by wetting my face with that warm water, and then I'm just gonna wash my face with some Dove soap, and I just basically work that all over my face. I'll really be scrubbing, bitch. Like, then I wipe that off with a towel. Then I take that scrub. I'll squeeze too fucking much on my hand, and you can see it. And I really be working that in my skin because that sugar really be exfoliating my skin. Like, after the aftermath, it have your skin feeling like a baby's ass. Like, it feels so soft. It'll feel so soft and smooth, and then you'll feel so good after you get done moisturizing and shit. And then I go in with that noxzema and I just rub it all in my skin, and then I let it sit on my face for about a couple minutes. And this is not really my daytime routine. My daytime routine just consists of me washing my face with just soap. This is really my nighttime routine. This is everything I do at night, or everything that I do to take off my makeup. Make sure I don't go to sleep with no makeup on. And I just let that sit on my face while I'm brushing my dentures. And then after I'm done, I change the water from warm to cool, and then I wipe all the noxzema off my face with the cool water. I don't wash my face with warm water no more, or hot water, because I think hot water be making me look ugly sometimes. Like, I don't look physically ugly literally, but it just like it be having my pores showing too much, and then I already got oily skin, so it's just like the hot water just make it look worse. That's a big ass difference from when I just recorded. Like, I could have sworn, didn't y'all just see some dark ass marks on my nose and shit like that? Like, that's really it for the routine. Unless y'all want to see how I put my contacts on, because I really cannot see, so I don't even know if I look cockeyed looking in the camera, or if I'm looking a whole different other ways. So I'm gonna just go get my contacts right now. These are my contacts. Excuse me. Take the contact on your fingertip. Drag my eye down, look up, so take on your fingertip, put it on your fingertip, look up. Bitch, I can see. But if you don't know how to put on contacts, I don't know. That's the best way I know how to do it. Like, I know how to just put them on, like, boop, boop. Like, when you put your contact in, I'm gonna show you how it's supposed to look. So it's supposed to look like a bow. And you will know if you have it on the wrong way if it got sharp edges like this. So if it got like sharp edges, like you could tell it's folded inside out. You will know if you have your contact in the wrong way because it'll start irritating. So this is part of my routine too, and I forgot to show this lotion. Do a little pea size because this is thick, kind of thick, and just moisturize. My skin feels so smooth after I done use that mask. I mean that scrub. Now we look like something. So that's it for my skincare routine, and y'all just got a free little tutorial on how to put your contacts in, so thank me later. And I'll probably do my makeup, so, and yes, I'm gonna record it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next video.
I'm gonna bounce like fall. I'm in that bitch on the mall. Say that shit having no choice.